Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zundimo back with another video. This year, I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna try my best because you know what? Why not? Today's video will be an unboxing video. Unboxing what? The Telfar bag. You know what? The Telfar bag? You know the bag that's so popular? If you don't know, it's basically a black-owned bag made out of vegan leather from it's New York based. So you know it's lit and it's that exclusive shit because first of all, getting this bag is stressful. Those who know, you know, these bags drop like weekly and they sell it within 2 minutes. Sometimes one. I've been through so much shit trying to get these bags. It was so hard. Blood pressure was up there, but finally got not one, but two. So no more long talk. Let's see what I got because like that's why you're here. The first bag is the baby blue bag. Packaging very cute, simple, but you know, love the branding. Okay, oh my goodness, stop. I'm so excited. It's been so long. Oh, hold up. Gentle with Telfar vegan leather, you know, gentle. She is so cute. That's like my, oh, hold up, nicely, you know, take time, my girl. Take, never mind. Oh, she's really small. Okay, let's see this. It is mini. You know what? I'm mini too. I'm a small little girl. This is the bag. Can it focus? Hopefully it's focusing. This is the bag. It is so small. Sizes of my head. But whatever. The long strap, think of a nice crossbody. Or a little hand pouch bag, whatever, you know, a little tote bag. Small, cute. So the question is, what goes in this bag? Like, what can this bag even fit? Well, let's see. A phone. Okay. A mask, cause you know, mask up. Fenty lip gloss, you know, gotta stay poppin'. Hand sanitizer, cause ew. A snack. Bomb. And this little clippy thing. A little clippy thing. Hold on. Boom! It fits, told you so. And it has that cute little, you know that make sure it locks. Hold on. This is the bag. Packed up to the brim, to the top. Thumbnail. Next, the next bag is the medium size bag. So since it's medium, I got the practical color black, right? Everyday type bag. Same packaging, bomb, practical, boom, 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 dash that away, boom, boom. Oh my, she looks so cute. Oh, she's actually a very good size. Like, this is the everyday bag. This is the bag that you bring to spend the night at your little sneaky link or wear it to work, wear it to school. Can also be a carry-on bag, you know. Has little things inside, you know. This, what is it for? I do not know, but always in leather. The same, you know, crossbody type of flex, and then you have the coat type of like thing. There you go. It has more depth, this bag. So you see a zipper. Yeah. But what does it fit though? Good question. Ha ha ha. Sorry, that was cheesy. This is a new improved spend the night bag, okay? The Telfar medium-sized bag. You're gonna go to your little booth thing, your little ting-ting, your little quarantine, your little bae, or even a girls' night, whatever, you know? Whoever you wanna go spend the night with. You'll bring what? Deodorant. Can't be stank. Of course, it's panoramic. It's a pandemic. Mask, of course. Snack, because I always have snack on me. Gloss, of course. Phone. Important. Toothbrush. And of course, black girls, you don't play. Your bonnet. Always have your bonnet on. Because, like, next morning can't be looking all dusty and crusty. And let's see, it's gonna also be a bag for like school, you know, because I came with this, the MacBook, and look at that. Oh, a little heavy, but it fits, so it's practical. So that's a good bag. A little hard on the wrist, but like that's why they have this. Okay, it's a little heavy. Like, I don't have Birkin. This is my version of a Birkin, because I don't have no Birkin money right now. In the future, inshallah. But like, yeah, right now I don't have Birkin money, so this is my Birkin. I'm rocking like a Birkin because it's super cute. It's good for the planet because it's vegan, and it's black owned, and it look cute, and I look good, and yeah, I love them. They are a bit pricey, but like it's like black luxury, you know. If you have a bag like this, you are it. Elite. You are up there. So like I have two. So what does that make me? I don't know. But no, I'm joking. But like really, I wanted these bags for a long time. I'm happy I have them. Yeah. Will I get more in the future? Because the price for shipping to Canada, that is a damn shame. It's way too high. These bags, this bag costs $150 USD. The medium, $200 USD. So in Canadian dollar, that's like what? A lot of money, a lot more money than like it was. And shipping is expensive. Mind you, shipping from the States to Canada, which is not far at all, it took less than 2 days when it was actually shipped and prepared. So shipping is actually top tier to like, it's like, woo, no duties or anything. It was actually very good. But it should be good because it's so expensive. It was a lot of money for the shipping. So like, I guess that's something you should work on, because like, I don't mind waiting a little bit longer for a cheap price of shipping. But either way, black owned, support black. You know, I'm gonna be that big. I'm gonna be that girl with these bags. I'm like that girl. Like what? You can't tell me nothing with these bags. It's a sport for real. It's like buying sneakers on release day. But you know, God wants me to get a bag, I'll get some bags. But for now, I'm gonna hold that. That being said, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, comment, you know. If you want to buy a bag too, what color you want to buy. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to do the usual, you know. Subscribe, comment, like, you know. I'm gonna post like the links, and hopefully you can get a bag too because it's very cute. Love you. Bye.